Hey traders from around the world, welcome to your August challenge video. Every single month at Real Life Trading, our goal and objective is to create a challenge for the month that focuses on real life trading things. So your three challenges for this month: the real challenge, which is the physical challenge; the hard challenge, the one that's going to be a little bit of a difficult one to accomplish. Pretty simple this month. I want you to play a sport that you've never played before. That's it. That's all you have to do. This month, play a sport that you've never played before and have fun with it. All right, the trading challenge is I want you to pick 1 week in the month of August. For all of my day traders out there, I want you to day trade with absolutely zero moving averages on your chart. Nothing, nada, zilch. Candlesticks and your drawings, that's it. No moving averages. So pick 1 week where you do that. My week is gonna be the very first week of August, and all I'm gonna do is trade with just candlesticks and support and resistance. And then the life challenge. August is volunteer month. So for volunteer month, I want you to volunteer 5 hours this month, anywhere you choose. It could be at your church, it could be at your community service, it could be at a spiritual center, it could be literally anywhere at a school, but I want you to spend 5 volunteer hours doing something this month for someone, somewhere, something, or some organization. That's really it. Really simple challenges for the month of August. Thank you everyone for being a part of Real Life Trading, for growing this community, for growing the mindsets and the beliefs and the thoughts and the bank accounts of all the amazing traders all around the world. We are truly enriching lives. So thank you for being here. You guys rock. Have a fantastic August, and let's crush it.